An amphitheater charges $75 for each seat in Section A, $55 for each seat in Section B, and $30 for each lawn seat. There are 17,000 lawn seats. On the first day, 10,000 tickets are sold, generating $356,000 in revenue. The number of seats sold in Sections A and B are the same. How many lawn seats are still available? First, write a verbal model for the situation. Because the number of seats sold in Sections A and B are the same, the number of seats sold in Section A, X, equals the number of seats sold in Section B, Y. Also, the number of seats sold in Section A, X, plus the number of seats sold in Section B, Y, plus the number of lawn seats sold, Z, equals the total number of tickets sold. And because the amphitheater charges $75 for each seat in Section A, $55 for each seat in Section B, and $30 for each lawn seat, 75 times the number of seats sold in Section A, X, plus 55 times the number of seats sold in Section B, Y, plus 30 times the number of lawn seats sold, Z, equals the total revenue. Now you want to write a system of equations. Using the verbal model and substituting the given information, you get x equals y, x plus y plus z equals 10,000, and 75x plus 55y plus 30z equals 356,000. Now you want to rewrite this system as a linear system in two variables. To do this, substitute x for y in x plus y plus z equals 10,000. Combining like terms, you get 2x plus z equals 10,000. Also, substitute x for y in 75x plus 55y plus 30z equals 356,000. Combining like terms, you get 130x plus 30z equals 356,000. Now solve the new linear system for both of its variables. To do this, add 130x plus 30z equals 356,000 to negative 30 times 2x plus z equals 10,000. This gives you 70x equals 56,000. Now solve for x by dividing each side by 70, giving you x equals 800. Because x equals 800 and y equals x, y equals 800. Solving 2x plus z equals 10,000 for z, you get z equals 10,000 minus 2x. Substituting 800 for x, you get z equals 8,400. So 8,400 lawn seats are sold. Because there are a total of 17,000 lawn seats, to find the number of lawn seats that are still available, subtract 8,400 from 17,000, giving you 8,600. So there are 8,600 lawn seats still available.